right. So guys, welcome to the Monaco here at Overbrook Estates, Toll Brothers. We were in the community looking at some property for a client of ours interested in the community. And you know, I love 2-for-1s, Hope. What do you think? You're into 2-for-1s?
Most definitely. Most definitely. And you know what? This is amazing. Like, I know I say this in every video, but honestly, guys,
It just got better.
this is really, really nice. This is the first time me and Duane have actually walking through this model today. So, like, this is the Monaco. It has 5 bedrooms, can accommodate 3 to 5 baths, a half bath, 2 garage, and just under 3,600 square feet. So I love the paneling going all the way up the wall. Like, I think that just draws your eye all the way up, and it brings you up to the beams on the ceiling, which is great, right? You have this sitting area, living area. It's a little small, it's a little boxed in, but it's cozy. So I kind of like that a lot. What do you think, Duane?
I feel like I'm in a stadium. You know, when you have these 2-story great rooms, so typically in a natural floor plan, you would see this, it would have a ceiling, right? And this would likely be where the primary goes on the second floor. But when you're doing a 2-storied great room, that goes away for the sake of vanity, right? Dare I say it? And man, this is exquisite. Like, you know, I just saw something. This feels like a hidden room here.
Right.
Like, it has the same paneling as the exterior out here in the living room.
Right.
And this is like the gentleman's room. Can I call it that, Hope?
You can.
This is the gentleman's room.
For today, right? It's
What?
staged as the gentleman's room.
It's not staged. It is. Yeah.
No,
I'm saying,
I
though.
think it could go either way, right? Let's accommodate our other viewers, not just the male viewer.
I didn't
But the
say
way
that.
they staged this was beautifully, beautifully done. Like, they put in the dark shades to darken everything out. I love this chandelier. It's
Yeah.
amazing. They put the, you know, the tumblers and the scotch glasses. Like, it just fits all, and got dual too. Refrigerators, right?
Yeah.
To accommodate the wine, as Duane likes to say, I like to drink. I don't know.
I didn't say you like to drink. You just love your medicine.
I love.
What?
And then it leads to outside, which is really beautiful.
This is stunning. Now, what's the price point again?
We're starting just under $870. That's
Just
base.
under $870, and that's base. I mean,
base, yeah.
now because this is the model, I'm sure with all the elevations that's in this home right now, it's beyond that $899,
Oh, definitely.
right?
Most definitely.
But my goodness, look at this. Look at that. I got a brick road, y'all.
All right.
Why wouldn't you want to look at this? We got water. Look at that.
Nice
that.
water treatment.
Like,
So relaxing.
very, very relaxing.
Sitting out here with your scotch,
Yeah.
right at the fire pit, just enjoying that sound of the water. I think it's amazing. I love how when we come to these model homes that they give you an idea of what you can do in the lot that you have available to you. And this is stunning.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Not bad. Yeah, like, this is definitely, like, I don't know if you can see yourself watching, my viewers, if you can see yourself living like this. I mean, this is not what we expected. We haven't walked this home before. So I like having this natural reaction to all the areas where you can hang out. 1, 2, 3. All right. This was also on a Trex platform deck. Let's see what else this home's got to offer. Enough hanging out. Let's get back to work. Okay.
That one might be locked, but let's see. So there's another patio entrance door here. It's open.
All right. So that's 2 entrances, right?
So you have your dining area here alongside with the kitchen. I love how they actually chose the dark cabinetry in this particular model. I've noticed a lot, it's always been light and bright with the white cabinets, the light countertops, and this gives another perspective of what a nice, elegant kitchen can look like. I love the brown and gold veining. I'm a gold girl, so I really like the gold veining. I love the wolf stove over there. We're looking at 8 burners, it looks like, over there.
It does look like 8 burners. Mm-hmm.
And you have your double ovens here, and your microwave is over here.
I know a lot of buyers love having that microwave down here as opposed to sharing that just above the double oven. And these are Wolf double ovens. So if you hear the name Wolf, I mean, it connects with high end and already 8 burners, which is not normal. You say 8, it seems like, so wait, it is 8, right?
That's a warmer.
That's a warmer.
Like a warmer or a grill, but.
Gotcha.
Right, and then you have your traditional farmhouse sink, which is glorious looking, oversized faucet. And then you come over here, and then you have almost like you have your butler's pantry, all right, with cabinetry, of course, soft clothes.
Soft clothes lives.
Loving the pantry.
Oh, wow.
They did not do the wire racks.
Something
love.
you and wire racks. No.
They already stole my heart. All right, and then we saw this in the beginning. We kind of walked past it, but it's like an office area right at the entry point. So kind of everything kind of goes around in like a circle. Something my kids would love.
Yeah. So yeah, you know what about that design? Like for people who are into that design, I totally get it. I recently had a client that came down and they were very specific about having that orientation where they can go around. You know, they don't have to be deadlocked into a space. They can exit through the office or otherwise.
Right, and if you have like formal dining, like if you have a lot of family coming over for Thanksgiving, Christmas, you can actually change this into like a traditional dining room, right? Because it's bigger than the dining area that they have carved out over there that we saw earlier, but you can actually fit a lot more seating. And you know, you're coming straight from the kitchen into your dining space. Yeah,
I got you. Okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Right, so you have options, right?
Yeah, Hope's trying to turn my office into a dining space, y'all. You see how she moves? You see how that went down? That's why we need the retinal scanner. Okay?
It's a retinal scanner.
Yeah, at the Gentleman's Club. All right.
Loving the drop zone here. And then we walk into our half bath behind us.
Yeah, we got the half bath here. It's like there's design everywhere. I mean, like the half bath is been kitted, you know. It's got decorative paneling. All right, so then we got bedroom number one.
Now this is really nice because how are you? Good.
Hey, girl.
No. You just startled me. I was like,
I didn't know there's a door there.
I did. I thought it was a closet.
We're gonna keep it in the video.
Right. All right. So I love this guest bedroom. Right. It has its own ensuite, which is great. Right. And you can actually they have like their own wing. Right. Over here to the side. Yeah. Right. They're not like in the mix of everything, which I really do like.
Yeah. Right.
So. So they actually have 2 bathrooms if they wanted to. But yeah, it's very nice setup.
Yeah. The garage would be over here.
Oh
right?
yes, this is
where the sales folks are.
Salesperson just scared us half to death.
Pop up on you.
Goodness.
All right, I think people want to get upstairs now. Yeah. What do you think?
Oh yeah, me too.
This is clean. All right, I'm gonna do this. I have a little fun here, right? With all the sunlight we're getting. This lighting fixture here reminds me of something like Knights of the Round Table. You know, you find that in those, I don't know, 17th century castles. Well, you got one too if you buy this house. All right, we got the beams too. All right, so let's start here.
Yes, we have the laundry room.
Yeah.
Very nicely done. Same cabinetry from downstairs. Love the paneling that they placed on the walls. Very decorative. And it has a sink. Love it.
Has a sink? Oh, that's a good thing, right?
Things that get me excited, right?
I was confused.
Loving this catwalk. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. This Duane's gonna head into bedroom number 2.
All right. Definitely got a bit of a car theme going on here, right? I see a helmet, you know.
Very nicely done. Great, good amount of space.
Decorative paneling everywhere.
Right. And they have their own ensuite.
They do?
Mm-hmm.
Get out of here.
They have their own
Man, I
ensuite.
walked right past that. Oh, wow. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is brick, guys. Like, you know, I wonder if they would have done that in red brick. I mean, that would have worked for me. If they had done that in red brick, it might be
brick.
a bit, what?
I think the browns all go together. It's not a
Maybe like
firehouse.
my accent wall for the bathroom. I bet you wouldn't use it. This is how I keep people out.
That's how you keep people out.
All right, enough about me.
This is bedroom number 3.
All right.
Nicely done.
This is very different. I love the way they did the molding. I don't know if that's like they had a bit of a designer mold. I've never seen that before.
Very nice.
In any home for that matter.
And this one has its own ensuite as well.
No one's ever gonna. Are you ever gonna see
See the kids.
the
See anybody?
kids
See
or
your
anybody?
guests?
They got their own bathroom, own room. Like what?
Yeah, right.
And this is all the way up to the ceiling. This is a really nice tile. Okay, for a second I thought it was like a subway tile, but yeah, it's close. Looks pretty good. It's got the inlet for shampoo and stuff. Looks good.
Very nice.
All right. And then we have, we have a
number
shared
4.
bathroom. Looks like it lets out there.
Right. This is bedroom number 4.
This must be the musician of the family. All right. Yeah, I see it now. Notes everywhere. Will anybody sleep tonight? It's got the guitars. All right.
Very nice.
Let's check out the walk-in closet. Oh, it's got a little curve there. What's going on? All right. I'm so curious. All right, so let's
Head to the primary.
get back to the primary, right? That's the lone wolf remaining. And there was one.
Loving the wood beams. It's just so nice, so elegantly.
Wow, what a design. Yeah.
Imagine yourself waking up to this view as you wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
So come down in the morning, have your coffee.
I might be a delinquent though, because I forget something, I'm like, throw it up.
Oh boy.
Oh wait, catch.
Here is the primary.
Wow. Oh man. You know what these beams remind me of? The Nora 2, Hope. I don't know if you recall the Nora 2.
Yeah.
But this reminds me very much of that. Nora 2 is an amazing floor plan as well. I'm not sure which one I like better anymore. Like this Monaco is just amazing.
I think, yeah. Go ahead.
I think I got a new best friend.
I think all the floor plans are simply amazing, stunning. Like we just left another model home which we'll showcase called the Seaforth. All right, we'll drop the link here, and it just has its own personality. Like this is amazing. Look at this shower. You got dual shower heads. All right, you can fit like 10 people in this shower. This is amazing. What do you think,
Yeah,
Duane?
this is what is a relaxing day was built for. You know, you have a long day at the office. You know, the kids are at grandma's, or maybe you just need it for you.
Right, just a moment, just a moment.
I live alone. Who are these other people?
Right.
There's not enough room for them.
Nice
And
walk-in
my double
closet.
shower. This is quite the double shower. Sorry, the walk-in closet.
Wow, Duane, you can fit in here. Too.
I might live with you.
I might just make this the she room. The girl.
The she room? The she room, like she shed room?
The she shed room.
I don't know, Hope.
You have the man room, what you call it? The man cave downstairs. I don't need much.
I don't know if I'd see you again. You didn't say no. Yeah, this is incredibly deep. This is pretty nice. Very nice.
Nice tub. Yeah. This is great.
So as we're shooting this video, they are in phase, they're leading into phase 2. They're moving pretty quickly. We drove around quite a bit. We saw a number of spec homes. If you don't know what spec homes are, these are homes that are already been pre-selected with their design, and they're just really waiting on a buyer.
Right.
And because we're in a model home, this just gives us an opportunity to kind of get an understanding of just imaginatively what you can do.
Right.
So I want to say that they're going to be, let's see, maybe 3 to 4 phases. They're going to be here for about another 5 years.
Yes, about 4 to 5 years.
Yeah. So you don't have to feel like you're missing out if you're watching this video, or what year it is that you're catching this video in. But I mean,
right. They have an amenity center, just so you guys know.
Yeah.
It has like an 8-lane Olympic pool that actually will not be ready until next summer, so 2027. They also have 3 walking trails that are kind of like real walking trails in the woods, per se. We are closely located to Birkdale Village, which is a main shopping and restaurant hub that's near here in Huntersville, and it's great. I mean, how far do you think we are from 485?
oh wow.
Oh no, I-77. Sorry.
I-77? Probably about, I want to say about a 7-minute drive.
7-minute drive, and we're looking about 20 minutes to 25 minutes to uptown.
Definitely less than 30, for sure. Now, 77 does get a little preoccupied, to say the least. There does coexist some traffic around, I don't know, I would say mornings and rush hour, you know, morning and evening. So, you know, you gotta manage your time accordingly. But I mean, we came up here, as we're shooting this video, we came up here for maybe like 12 o'clock. And we live about 25 minutes away, and it was smooth. You know, we did encounter some traffic, but it was just slightly, you know, those merging and stuff like that. So, yeah.
All right, guys, so let us know, what do you think about this floor plan? Is this a thumbs up, a thumbs down for you? What are your highlights? What are the things that you like the most about this home? We'd like to hear back from you, and we will link our other videos regarding Overbrook Estates and Huntersville in the links below.
I think their number one is that they didn't buy it.
So until next time.
Stay blessed by the best, y'all.
Have an amazing day. Bye.